If you told me that it was possible to make $11,799 in under 7 days with an 8-second long video on TikTok, I would call you crazy. For a long time, I did not believe any of that until I saw examples like the one that I'm going to run through in this video. Let me show you. And I'm on Kalo Data right now. I've just gone into the video tab. If you want to check out Kalo Data, I've left a link in the description. I believe they do a free trial as well. Let's talk about the product that they're promoting. This product is a t-shirt that is inspired by Post Malone and this guy called Morgan, based on a song that they did together called I Had Some Help. Someone's gone ahead, made the shirt, stuck them images on it, and they've started selling this as a TikTok shop product. They started promoting it by releasing this video. I'm just going to play it here a little bit. You probably won't hear it because it's got some copyrighted music on it. It's an 8-second long video which has generated them $78,664 in under 7 days. And we're going to talk about the commission as well a bit later on in the video. It's just a clip of Post Malone and Morgan performing the song live. Someone that's clearly got the t-shirt in the background taking a video of it, so they have actually got the product. No talking in the video. At the most, I would say this took them about 10 minutes to make. All you need is just someone that's wearing the t-shirt. You've got a clip of these people that are performing, and you've literally got just a huge caption at the top of the video, and the caption says, "Sorry to anyone that got the Posty and Morgan shirt because it's 70% off with free shipping." Is going to really make people feel a certain kind of way that have already bought the shirt without actually having bought it through this person's profile here. Just organic traffic that the video was exposed to. Now, in terms of the creator themselves, they've only got just over 7k followers. You don't have to be massive to make a ton of money as a TikTok shop affiliate. As an affiliate, there's more opportunity for them. Now let's talk about the amount of money that they made from this video. In the US dollars, that's working out at $78,660. We know that commission is not revenue. Revenue is the overall figure that's been bought in the last 7 days. How much did they take home? We're going to look at another tool that I like to use called Shop Plus. I've linked it in the description as well, and I've gone on to product search and I've searched Posty and Morgan Had Some Help t-shirt. In terms of finding out how much commission the product offers, as you can see that it's 15%, and they've generated 45,000 in revenue in just the last few days. You've got a couple of others here as well, so a bunch of other examples. Now again, the commission is 15%, so if we go back to Kalo Data and look at 15% of $78,664 in dollars, so that's how much this creator took home, $11,799 in commission. This is what the creator was able to withdraw on the back of this. Always like to say when it comes to TikTok shop affiliate, this 15% is what's standard for everyone. However, there's no guarantee that this creator had that commission. It could have been higher, because the more you sell, the more the shop is likely to raise your commission, because they want you to continue selling. They want you to continue with that momentum. They want to make as many sales as possible. So they'll, double it from 15 to 30%, sometimes even up to 40%. I've seen examples where creators are making 50% on commission, they're making 6 figures. This $11,799 dollars, it could have been double that they've made. It could have been 23,000. It could have been even more than that, depending on what commission they got. Now unfortunately, we can't see how much commission they would have gotten exactly, but we know that it's above this, because this is the minimum commission that they would have received. Now if the shop decided to change that or amend it, it would have been between them and that creator. It's not something that we're able to see. Absolutely crazy stuff. And if you think the opportunity is gone to become a TikTok shop affiliate in the USA before the ban kicks in, case in point, if anything, this is the best time now. TikTok will be pushing US affiliates to make as much money as possible, because they are making a point to the US government that they are in support of US citizens and US shops, and they are making them as much money as possible, and that it's a mistake for TikTok to be banned from the US, because it's going to hurt US citizens. If I were you, if I was based in the USA, which I'm not, I would strongly consider jumping in if it's something that you are interested in.